Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to explain to you what these three subdials mean on your fossil-made chronograph watch. So first of all, the big watch hands of the watch are going to show you the time, and also this big seconds hand is going to be the seconds hand of the watch, so of your exact time keeping. Here at 4 o'clock we have the date window, so the date complication. This is going to show you the day of the month. Now the first one right here on the right is going to be the subdial for military time. So as you can see, it goes up to 24. So this means that you can actually see or know whether you are AM or PM. You can see right now that I am at 8 and let's say 8 minutes. And right here you can see that I am PM. So I know that it is going to be 20 and 7 or 8 minutes. If I were to pull the crown to the last position and rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction, you can actually see that this hand right here is going to be perfectly aligned, so it is going to be mirroring the exact hour watch hand of the main time. So as you can see, as I go to perfectly 12 o'clock, it is going to show me here 24, and that is military time. Since I went past 24, so past midnight, the date also changed. Now I'm going to have two other subdials right here, and these two are going to belong to the chronograph watch function. As you can see, both of them are perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. So this is going to be the seconds hand of the chronograph, and that is why it is showing up to 60. So that is going to be 60 seconds. And here we are going to see the subdial for the minutes. So the top pusher is going to either start the chronograph or it is going to pause it. And as you can see, I can actually read how many seconds have passed. I can resume and then I can pause again. Now something really important is that as you go past 1 minute, you'll also be able to read right here that 1 minute has passed. So you can see that as I get closer and closer to 60 seconds, this subdial right here is also going to go to 1 minute. As I go past 1 minute, you'll be able to see that this minute hand right here that belongs to the chronograph has also passed 1 minute. So this means that now if I were to pause the chronograph, I'm going to be able to read 1 minute, and then I'm also going to read 13 seconds right here. Once again, I can resume and continue, or pause and reset. If I press the button pusher, it is going to reset, and as you can see, the chronograph goes backwards until it perfectly aligns once again at 12 o'clock. So you always want to have the watch hands of the chronograph perfectly at 12 o'clock. In case these two are misaligned, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below with all the functions and features of this particular model, and you will also learn how to set the time and date correctly and safely, because if you make a mistake, there is going to be a possibility that you can actually damage the date wheel, so the wheel that changes the date, and you are going to damage your watch. And also I'm going to post a video about how to adjust your bracelet and also how to replace the watch battery for this particular model. In case you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. If you have any other questions, maybe I can make a video about them. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.